Now that we've covered what damages your muscles, let's focus on what helps them thrive. The right foods can rebuild strength, reduce inflammation, and even reverse some of the loss that's already happened. Let's explore some of the most powerful muscle-protecting foods for adults over 60. Lean proteins, your muscles' building blocks. Protein is the foundation of strong muscles, but quality matters. Eggs, a complete protein that's easy to digest. Fish like salmon, sardines, or tuna, full of healthy omega-3 fats. Chicken or turkey breast. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas, great for plant-based strength. You don't need a huge portion. Just 20 to 25 grams per meal, roughly the size of your palm, is enough to trigger muscle repair. Leafy greens, the muscle support crew. Greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with magnesium and nitrates, which improve blood flow to muscles and help them contract properly. A 2021 study from the Journal of Nutrition found that seniors who ate 1 cup of leafy greens daily had significantly better leg strength than those who didn't. So whether in a salad, smoothie, or soup, make greens part of your everyday plate. Healthy fats, your body's natural lubricant. Omega-3 fats found in walnuts, flax seeds, and olive oil keep inflammation low and support muscle recovery. These fats also help protect your joints, making movement easier and less painful. Try adding a handful of walnuts or a drizzle of olive oil to your meals, small steps that make a big difference. Vitamin C and D, the unsung heroes. Vitamin C supports collagen, your body's glue for muscles, tendons, and skin. You'll find it in oranges, kiwi, and bell peppers. And vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, helps your body absorb calcium and maintain muscle function. Spending just 15 minutes in sunlight daily, or including foods like eggs and fortified milk, can help meet your needs. Hydration and electrolytes. Water might not seem connected to muscle strength, but it absolutely is. Dehydration makes muscles feel weak and tired, and can even cause cramps. Drink plenty of water, and if you sweat or live in a warm climate, add natural electrolytes like coconut water or a pinch of sea salt and lemon in your drink. Daily habits that rebuild strength naturally. Now let's talk about what you can do every day. Small actions that rebuild and protect your muscles over time. These habits aren't about working harder. They're about working smarter, giving your body the gentle, consistent care it needs. Morning movement. Start the day with energy. Before breakfast, take 5 minutes to move your body. It could be stretching your arms overhead, marching in place, rotating your ankles and wrists, or simply walking around the house. These simple motions wake up your muscles and improve circulation, helping you feel more stable and balanced for the rest of the day. Never skip protein at breakfast. Breakfast sets the tone for your metabolism and energy. Try starting the day with protein-rich meals like scrambled eggs, oatmeal with nuts, or a smoothie with Greek yogurt. Studies show that seniors who include protein in breakfast maintain more muscle mass than those who skip it. Move every hour. Long sitting periods are one of the biggest muscle killers. Every hour, stand up, stretch, or walk for 1 or 2 minutes. It's like the ultimate daily progress, an investment. Every small movement pays off in strength, balance, and energy. Prioritize rest and sleep. Here's something many people overlook. Muscles don't grow when you exercise, they grow when you rest. Quality sleep gives your body time to repair and build new muscle tissue. Try to get 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep, and keep a calming bedtime routine, like light stretching, herbal tea, or soft music before bed. Stay positive and consistent. Finally, remember this: you don't need to do everything perfectly, just consistently. Muscle loss doesn't happen overnight.